Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. The Biden administration's top trade official is touting what she says are real economically meaningful wins regarding ag trade. However, some industry groups have concerns about what they see as a lack of a trade agenda. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins me. Michelle, lots of different opinions right now when it comes to what's seen as success with ag trade.
No doubt, Clinton. If you measure success just by export data, so far in the first quarter of fiscal year 2024, the U.S. is running a trade deficit of $330 million. And USDA is projecting a deficit of over $31 billion for the entire fiscal year. Now, this doesn't exactly match with the progress on trade the administration claimed at the USDA Ag Outlook Forum. Ambassador Tai touted trade victories like tariff reductions on 10 commodities in India, a new beef safeguard deal, and U.S. ethanol market access in Japan, plus reopening South Africa's poultry market.
Over the past 3 years, we have seen the highest levels of agricultural exports and record levels of farm income. We have been working hard to open markets for U.S. products, and we have secured real economically meaningful wins.
Plus, they're enforcing trade agreements like USMCA on dairy with Canada and GMO corn with Mexico, which could harm U.S. producers.
And this is why last August, the United States established a dispute settlement panel under the USMCA to look at this issue. We will do everything we can to resolve these concerns.
However, she says only 7.5% of U.S. farms secured 89% of last year's record income, and the administration wants to fix that.
So we are charging full steam ahead. We are continuing negotiations with our partners in the Indo-Pacific and Africa. We are laser focused on deepening our existing relationships and creating new ones.
Still, many farm groups are expressing frustration that the administration needs to get more aggressive on trade.
And I think we really need to make our voice heard in Washington, D.C. and saying we need some free trade agreements. We need to lower tariffs and non-tariff trade barriers. We need a louder voice so that we can get market access to new countries.
He says the U.S. hasn't inked any new FTAs for years and is losing market share after withdrawing from the Trans-Pacific Partnership.
You know, you had Japan and the Philippines were in there. And so right now here we don't have free trade agreements with those countries. And so there's barriers that other competing countries don't have. And so I think that really the focus needs to come back on, exporting agricultural products to be very beneficial to rural America.
And meat exports, he says, are the best way to add value to lower priced grains. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.